Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A06 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Start off opening Google Chrome application. In it, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings option, where we tap on our Google password manager and there we can manage our Google passwords to our account which our device remember, maybe to our Steam, but we need to have lock screen. We must add it fastly to manage our Google passwords, and when we have it, we can manage it. We enter our lock screen and we get connected to that. In it we can copy our username and password using this first icon, or when we choose ice icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also share this password to our friends using this icon and share it, or edit something by tap on edit and write something new in username, note, but remember when you change something press save. The last thing which we can do with it is delete it from our device by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!